Hi everybody, I hope you're all happy and safe. Today I have got a different story for you today. I have got this one that we have seen before. It's called The Big Book of the Blue by Yuval Zommer, and it's a different kind of book because it's a non-fiction book, which means it's got information and facts inside. So I'm going to turn to my contents page that we've looked at before, and we're going to see who's inside. Now I don't want to read the whole book right now, so I'm going to choose an animal and flick to their page number. And I think today we'll start off with sea snakes, and they're on page number 34. So let's turn all the way to page 34 to get the page numbers at the bottom of the book. And here we are. Sea snakes. How can a sea snake live underwater? A sea snake is very good at swimming. It has a flat tail that it uses like an oar to help it swim quickly through the water. It has to come up for air but can hold its breath for a long time underwater. A sea snake sheds its skin every 2 to 6 weeks to get rid of barnacles that have grown on its body. Can you find an eel? It has a long ribbon-like fin along its whole body. So I'm looking for an eel in all these sea snakes. There it is. It looks a little bit different to the sea snakes. Salty spit. A sea snake filters out salt from its blood and spits it back into the sea. Rings of danger. Sometimes a sea snake has colourful rings on its body that says, "I'm poisonous." So you don't get near the snakes that have got red rings on them. Let's see if we can find another animal. I have one more for today. I'm going to go back to my contents page. And I think that we will have a look at coral reef fish. We'll have a look on page 42. So I'm going to go all the way to page 42 in my book. At 41, I need one more. Here we go. Coral reef fish. Is a coral reef an animal or a plant? A coral is a type of animal. When there are lots of them together, they make an underwater forest called a reef. Plants grow here too. Reefs are home to many types of special fish. First of all, we've got parrotfish. A parrotfish uses its beak-like mouth to scrape tasty algae off stones and coral. Clownfish. A clownfish lives inside a sea anemone. The anemone's stinging tentacles guard the clownfish when it's inside its home. Look, there's Nemo. Surgeonfish. A surgeonfish has spines that are sharp as knives on its tail. It uses them to spike its enemies. A boxfish. A boxfish is square. Its bones are rigid like a suit of armour so that it can't move quickly. Other fish find boxfish too hard to eat. And finally we've got our lionfish. A lionfish has colourful stripes that say, "I'm poisonous," to bigger fish that might try and eat it. I hope you enjoyed our animals for today.